Today we shall read about objectives of an entrepreneur. Previous class we have read about what is an entrepreneur and features of entrepreneur. But today topic is objectives of an entrepreneur. Objectives of an entrepreneur. Before doing any new business venture or enterprise, entrepreneur must have his aim or objectives. Without objectives, and an entrepreneur cannot produce goods. So, ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିବା objectives of an entrepreneur. To clear understanding, I am discussing about the flowchart. From this flowchart, we can easily understood and memorize the points of objectives of an entrepreneur. First point is proper utilization of resources. Second point is growth and development of an enterprise. Minimizing risk taking, minimizing risk taking. Another point is planning for future. Plan for future. Another point is best quality of product. Best quality of product. Another point is best quality of product. Then mobile best quality of product लेखिसल best quality of product पर second point is lastly आमर research activities. Which is the greatest objectives of an entrepreneur. Another point also that is the best talent of an entrepreneur. These are the objectives of an entrepreneur in a flowchart. So, for proper understanding we can draw this flow chart. First point is your proper utilization of resources. First point is called proper utilization of resources. माने संबलर केमिति उपयोग प्रॉपर्ली केमिति हमें यूटिलाइज करिबा. How to utilize our resources. Every country has resources, but some country have utilized, some country have underutilized. For example, India. India is enriched with vast natural resources. India is enriched with vast natural resources, but they are underutilized, unutilized. So, an objective of an entrepreneur is to utilize the resources properly and economically. Second point is growth and development of an enterprise. Every entrepreneur objectives is to how to growth an enterprise or how to develop an enterprise. Before explaining about the growth and development words, there is a difference between growth and development. Growth and development depends on national income of a country. National income depends on per capita income of a country. The national income can be increased if an entrepreneur produce product in such a way that country's national income will increase and country will attain economic growth and development. So, main objective is the now how an entrepreneur grow their enterprise and development. Now, what is economic growth and what is economic development? Now, economic growth means increase in national income over a long period of time. But economic development means increase in national income along with other structural changes. India has attained economic development, not economic growth. But developed country like England, America, etc. had attained economic growth. Why India cannot attain economic growth? Due to lack of an entrepreneur, good entrepreneur. Due to lack of good entrepreneur. If an entrepreneur establish an enterprise properly, then economic growth must be attained. So, third point is minimizing risk taking. That is the most important thing also. Minimizing risk taking. Risk taking टाको केमिति कम करिवो, minimum करिवो. How to minimize their risk taking? Now, an entrepreneur faces various problems. Some problems are in uncertain conditions like fire, flood, drought, etc. Various problems faced. So, to overcome this problem, he will minimize their risk because he takes financial risks. The main objective is to minimize the risk. Plan for future. Another point is called plan for future. Plan for future. Every entrepreneur objective is to how to produce goods and how much to produce goods and what will be our quality of product for future trends. ତେଣୁ କ'ଣ କରେ ନା ସେ an entrepreneur always plan present as well as for future. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପାଇଁ ବି ସେ ଯୋଜନା କରେ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ କରେ ଏବଂ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ କରେ. Without plan an entrepreneur cannot achieve their goal. Another point is best quality of product. Best quality of their product. Best quality of product means nowadays consumers are become conscious about the quality of the product. Quality, every consumer brings product and choice product for quality. So how entrepreneur objective should be कौन होगा दरकार ना how you will employ a specialist in the field of production or in an enterprise. As a result, he will provide best quality of their product. Another point is research activities. This point I will discuss after this point. Best talent of the entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a person or individuals. He must have talent. Without talent, he cannot succeed their business. ତେଣୁ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଟ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଟ ତା ପାଖରେ ରହିବା ଦରକାର ଯାହାଫଳରେ ସେ ମାନେ ଆଗକୁ ଆଗେଇ ପାରିବ. And the last point is your research activities. On research activities. Research activities is very important point. The greatest objective of an entrepreneur is in research activities. Research activities means Indian entrepreneurs are lack importance to research activities. Research activities रे Indian entrepreneurs माने गवेषणा जेटा गवेषणा क्षेत्र रे आमर एंटरप्रेन्योर माने बेसी गुरुत्व दियंती नाही. तेणु एवरी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स aim is to about research activities. Without research, he cannot survive. So, their product, before going to the market, he must research their product to produce which product will brings greater profit and which product will brings less cost. These are the points. So from this chart we have understood about the objectives of an entrepreneur. In conclusion, we can write objectives of an entrepreneur. उद्योगीर लक्ष्य बा आभिमुख्य को फ्लो चार्ट माध्यम both in ओडिया एंड इंग्लिश देखो प्रॉपर यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेस संबलर उपयुक्त विनियोग ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एन एंटरप्राइज उद्योगर विकास और अभिवृद्धि मिनिमाइजिंग रिस्क टेकिंग सर्वनिम्न क्षति वहन करने प्लान फॉर फ्यूचर भविष्य पाई योजना करने बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स उन्नत गुणात्मक उत्पाद बा द्रव्य सृष्टि करने रिसर्च एक्टिविटीज गवेषणा कार्यकलाप जेटा कि भारतर उद्योगी मानकर अभाव रही से माने रिसर्च भल भाव में कर जहाँफल कि एंटरप्राइज गुड़िक डेभलप हो पारती ना बेस्ट टैलेंट मोबिलाइजिंग संबल विनियोग में उन्नत प्रतिभा बा दक्षता थी दरकार ना कौन